The verb speaks. Now see an example of adjective. Rose is very beautiful. So in this sentence, what is adjective, students? Adjective क्या है इसमें? विशेषण क्या बता रहा है? That is beautiful. How was the rose? It is beautiful. So beautiful is an yes adjective. Beautiful क्या है? एक adjective है. Okay. So the adverb is very. Adjective से पहले क्या आया है? Adverb. Rose कैसा है? बहुत ही सुंदर. यानी कि बहुत सुंदर है rose. ना? So बहुत क्या है? Is an adverb. Rose is an adverb. So the adverb very modifies an adjective beautiful. Adverb जो है ये very है. Very is an adverb. It modifies the adjective beautiful. Beautiful के साथ हम ऐसे भी तो बोल सकते थे. Rose is beautiful. Rose सुंदर है. पर उस सुंदरता को बताने के लिए वो बहुत ही ज्यादा सुंदर है. हमने क्या यूज किया? एक एडवर्ब की हेल्प लिया है. किसकी हेल्प ली? एक एडवर्ब की हेल्प ली. दैट इज वेरी. इससे हमें पता चला कि रोज जो है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा सुंदर है. सो इट इज एडवर्ब. एंड मारिया स्पीक्स क्वाइटली. हाउ शी स्पीक्स? शी स्पीक्स क्वाइटली. वो बहुत ही धीमी बोलती है. सो दिस क्वाइटली इज एन adverb. Now next is Radha is working or Ram is working. Ram is working too slowly. Ram is working too slowly. Ram is working too slowly. Students, here the adverb to modifies the adverb slowly. यानी कि एक adverb दूसरे adverb को क्या कर रहा है? Modify कर रहा है. किस तरह से? Ram is working too slowly. यानी कि ऐसे भी तो लिख सकते हैं Ram is working slowly. Ram बहुत धीमे लिखता है. That is also correct, right? Ram is working slowly. Ram धीमे लिखता है, करता है काम. पर Ram is working too slowly. Ram बहुत ही धीमी adverb. So badly is an adverb. So badly adverb modifies the verb. हमने क्या पढ़ा था अभी? An adverb is a word used with a verb. Verb के साथ adverb use हुआ? Yes. Now see the second example. His face was nearly black. यानी कि उसका जो चेहरा है, उसका जो फेस है, वो लगभग काला है. Nearly का मतलब होता है लगभग. Okay? His face was nearly spends his money foolishly. उसने बेवकूफी भरे तरीके से अपने पैसे को कहीं लगा दिया. ओके, स्पेंड कर दिया किसी चीज पे. So how he spends his money? He spends his money foolishly. आंसर क्या निकला? foolishly. So the answer is foolishly. foolishly क्या है? एक adverb है. Now आज का क्वेश्चन है how they were talking. वो किस तरह से बात कर रहे थे? How they were talking? They were talking loudly. आंसर मिल रहा है आपका. So it is an adverb. Okay. Any student remember two things. Adverb comes in regular and irregular form. These are regular forms. ly के साथ आते हैं. And irregular जो चेंज नहीं होता है. Fast का adverb fast ही होता है. Hard का adverb hard ही होता है. Okay. ऐसे कुछ words हैं जो चेंज ही नहीं होते. This is also an adverb. How he ran? He ran fast. How he works? He works hard. He works hard. So these are also an adverb. Okay. Now let's see adverb of degree. I hope ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Now we will see adverb of degree. बेटा बस adverb of manner में हमें क्वेश्चन पूछना है कि किस तरह से कौन काम कर रहा है. So how he spends his money foolishly. उसने बेवकूफी के तरीके से अपने पैसे को स्पेंड कर दिया. और ये आएगा ly आया तो ऑलरेडी वो adverb of manner है. ly adverb of degree. See the word very, nearly, almost. The word very, nearly, almost are used to add something to their meaning. Something to their meaning. That is called adverb of degree. Now let's see some examples. For example, the man was almost angry. The rose is very beautiful. Okay. Can you tell me how angry was a man? Yes. How angry the man was? कैसा था man? कितना angry था? Almost. It means almost means yes. How angry the man was? Almost. हमें क्या पता चल रहा है? Almost. Almost क्या है? लगभग. The man was almost angry. वो लगभग गुस्सा होने वाला था. The man was almost angry. यानी कि वो लगभग. Almost होता है लगभग. Okay. So it is an adverb. And what is angry in this? Angry is yes. That is an adjective. Angry is an adjective. एक adjective को modify क्या कर रहा है? Adverb. तो adverb किसको modify कर रहा है? Adjective को. Okay. Now the rose is very beautiful. हम ऐसे भी तो बोल सकते हैं rose is beautiful. Rose सुंदर है. पर हमें ये क्या बताने की जरूरत है? Rose is very beautiful. वो तो बहुत सुंदर है. बहुत. हमने adjective में बहुत add कर दिया, right? बहुत सुंदर. सुंदर तो है. कितना सुंदर है? कोई थोड़ा सुंदर होता है, कोई बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर होता है, कोई ऐसे ही सुंदर होता है. So the rose is very beautiful. How was the rose? Yes. How beautiful the rose is? The rose is very beautiful. So very is an adverb. see the third one, interrogative adverbs. What are interrogative adverbs? The words when, why, how, where are used in asking questions. यानी कि ऐसे words जो जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि वो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. That is called interrogative adverb. For example, when did you come? How are you? Where is your class? In this way, see, when, how. ये इस वर्ड से हमें पता चलता है कि ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. When did you come? तुम कब आए? How are you? तुम कैसे हो? So ये जब क्वेश्चन पूछता है, that is adverb. Okay? So the words when, why, how, where are used in asking question. जब हम इन words का use करते हैं क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए, तो हमें पता चलता है these words are adverbs. Now see this exercise. This exercise is in your textbook, page number 83. Exercise 1. Underline the adverbs of manner in the following sentences and name the verb with which each is used. First one is our soldiers fought bravely. Our soldiers fought bravely. How did our soldiers fight? Yes, हमारे soldiers ने किस तरह से fight किया? They fought bravely. तो इससे हमें क्या पता चल रहा है? Bravely is an adverb. So we have to underline the adverb of manner and name the verb. इसमें verb क्या use हुआ है? That is fought. किस तरह से fighting हुई? Fought. Fought is a verb. Okay? It is a verb. The boy was walking fast. How does the boy was walking? How does the boy was walking? The boy was walking fast. So fast is an adverb, students, and walking is a verb. Walking क्या है? Verb है. Okay? Walking verb. Now see the third one. They were talking loudly. How were they talking? किस तरह से वो बात कर रहे हैं? How? They were talking loudly. Loudly is an adverb and talking. बात करना doing word है. So it is verb. आपको भी पता है word is a doing word and adjective is describing word. You should not do so. Yes. How should you do it? How should you do it? So. So is an adverb and what is verb? Do. यानी कि कुछ कर रहा है ना, do. So do is a verb. Okay? She writes well. She writes well. How she writes? Well. So well is adverb and how she writes? Well. And writes is a verb. He could not speak distinctly. ly आ गया? ly आ गया? That is adverb. Adverb से पहले क्या है? Verb. Speak. Okay? Now see the seventh one. He loved her truly. How he loved her? He loved her truly. So truly is an adverb and love is a verb. Love यानी कि काम हो रहा है ना, तो it's a verb. The cuckoo bird sang sweetly. How does the cuckoo bird sang? Yes. How does the cuckoo bird sang? Sweetly. ly. तो ly आया तो ये क्या है? Adverb है. और काम क्या हो रहा है? गाना गा रही है sang. So जो काम हो रहा है that इससे भी हमें पता चल रहा है कि ये क्या है, एडवर्ब है। एंड वॉकिंग, कोई काम हो रहा है, डूइंग और एक्शन हो रहा है, वॉक कर रही है वो, सो दैट इज वर्ब। We will receive kindly. How were we received? Yes, kindly. Kindly is adverb. Receiving, कुछ लेना, receive करना, that is verb. Jack works hard all day. How does Jack works all day? Hard. Hard is an adverb and work. काम कर रहा है, that is work. Works. This story is well written. How is this story written? किस तरह से स्टोरी लिखी गई है? This story is written well. So well is an adverb and writing, कुछ भी काम लिखने का हो रहा है, that is verb. Okay?